Do you know that font is one of the essential keys in designing? Hello, guys, welcome again. Name is Joe, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you the top 3 websites that you can download or get the font for your project, a poster, or website. You might be on the lookout for a font that you can use commercially and preferably for free. First of all, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so that whenever I release a new video you will be the first person to be notified. Without wasting time, let's dive into it. 1. Defont. This website is the oldest source for downloading the best fonts. Over 60,000 fonts can be found on this website. Imagine you are looking for handwritten font among these huge collections. That will be stressful. Defont has a category system that can be used to filter fonts of your choice. If you know what you're looking for, jump to the search bar at the top of the page. Type what you want in the search box and it will show up in the results below. If you like the font, just click on the download button to save it offline. 2. FontSpace. FontSpace got 81,000 plus free fonts legally licensed for download. This website offers personal use and commercial use. Working on projects like adverts, web designing, branding, and others, remember to click on the commercial use filter to avoid illegal use of the font. Click on this icon here to download. 3. Google Fonts. Google Fonts has one of the largest collections of web-ready fonts. Search by category, popularity, language, and attributes like width or thickness. Google Fonts is a versatile font preview tool. You can choose to preview a paragraph or a sentence with any given font. You can increase the font size or switch to a different version of the font as well. Click on the font you want to download and click on Download Family to download your font. For the others that do not know how to install a download font, here is how it is done. Locate the font you download and open it. Always it is compressed zippy from, so need to install zip extractor like WinRAR, 7-zip, and others. Double-click or open the font with the zippy software installed. Browse through and select your choice. Double-click on it and click on Install. That's all. Your font has been installed successfully. All links are provided in the video description for these websites. I hope you find a beautiful font for your next projects. If it helps, hit that like button and share with others. Comment if you have any problems or questions. See you later.